In my crafty YouTube life, this is the best $100 I've ever spent on Amazon. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. I can't wait for you to see it, so stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for supporting me and my channel. If you haven't grabbed your March paper crafting kit, I still have a few left. I think I have 5 left. So if you want to grab a kit, head on out to my website. I'll have it linked in the description box below. When I say this is the best $100 I've ever spent on Amazon as it relates to crafting and crafting organization, I mean it. I'm going to take you out to my studio in just a minute to show you in person what I'm talking about, because it's way too big for me to bring back here. But I do think that it will be of interest to some of you, and I am so happy to share it. A lot of you know that I've been going through some spring cleaning. I've been reorganizing a few things, and I've pretty much reorganized every single sheet of paper that I have, and I have a home for almost everything. And what I'll be showing you is an item that I actually purchased last September 2023. I've had it. I simply haven't been using it because I wasn't ready to start reorganizing, and I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do. So it's always been there, but it just wasn't being put to good use. So we're going to head on out, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about, and I'll give you a very quick look at what I've done so far in one part of the studio. So we're going to go take a look, and then I'll come back. All right, y'all, so I'm actually using my iPad for this, so the audio may be a little bit different from what you're used to, but I just wanted to give you a very quick look at what I've done so far. So this is one of my Calyx units where I have certain papers and certain paper packs stored. I have my file folders in there. I have some envelopes and some gift boxes. I went through each and every piece of paper to make sure that I had everything where I wanted it. And then on the top where you see those 3 buckets, those are buckets of stickers from the Dollar Tree. So whenever I need a sticker, I'll pull down a certain bucket, go through that bucket, and find my sticker. And so I panned around to the other side of the Calyx. So I have these set up in sort of an L shape, and behind the L shape, I have storage. So one day I'll take you back there and let you see what my sister calls Missy, and Missy stands for miscellaneous. So she keeps all of that organized for me. She tells me when I'm running low on something, but all of that is behind those 2 Calyx units that you see there. So what you're seeing right now is another Calyx unit. I have my papers divided by seasons, and then in those acrylic drawers that you might be able to see, I'm not going to go through the drawers, I'm just giving you an overview. In the drawers, I have some more seasonal papers, seasonal embellishments, and a few seasonal stickers. And y'all, we haven't even gotten to the best $100 that I've spent on Amazon. It's coming though, because as I pan around, you'll eventually see it. But you're not going to see it yet. I am just going to pan around. This is the table where I do a lot of my work. I'll sit there and I'll work my prototypes. My sisters and youngest daughter, when they come over to help me, we all work at this table. I have some plastic bins on the table that I store certain things in, and I'm going to share that organization tip with you in an upcoming video. But this is the area where I do a lot of my prototyping. I'm sitting at that table and I'm working ideas that I have in my head or I've made in a notebook. And if you look in the far right, you will see those 8.5 by 11 stackables that I showed you in a previous video. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to have it linked in the description box below, and I'll have the link for those linked in the description box below. I know a lot of you purchased them, and I think that it's making a difference for a whole bunch of us, me included. Now I'm just going to pan around until we get to the best $100 I have ever spent on Amazon. I'll see my little blue car out front. Of course, it would be blue. So here, my friends, is the best $100 I have ever spent on Amazon. It is a 6-panel room divider, but the whole thing is a pegboard, and it's all one piece. So when I got it, it was closed, accordion fold. All I had to do was open it and put it where I wanted it. And now I can go over to it, and at a glance, I can grab whatever it is I'm looking for. So I can put pegs on the back and pegs on the front. Right now, I only have pegs on this side, but I am going to go back and take advantage of some of the spaces on the back as well. Oh, I absolutely love this thing. It is almost 6 feet tall, and I think it's about 72 inches wide. So I know that they have them in different colors. They have them in different panel sizes. So I think they have the 4-panel and the 6-panel. I got the 6-panel in 2023. Now I went out to get the link for this one because I wanted to put it in the description box. It's no longer available, so I tried to find similar ones. And of course, like everything else, the price has gone up from the $100 I paid, but I think that you can find the 4 panels for $69. 6-panel white was not in stock, but the 6-panel white, I think it was $129 or $139. Y'all, that is still a great deal because look at all of the organization space you get. And what I like about this, I'm going to show a picture on the screen how you can actually configure it into a cube. So all of these panels move independent of each other, but they're all joined together. So you can configure it however you want. You don't even have to have it dividing a space the way that I do here. You can have it placed against your wall. You can fold it into a cube similar to what we see in the stores. This is great for craft fairs. It does not have feet on it. It's simply a flat bottom that when you put it down and you configure it at angles, it steadies it. So I zoomed in so that you can get a better look at all of the space that I have. Y'all, I'm not even taking advantage of all of the space that I have because you see those bags in the lower left? I could double all of those up and put something else there, but I wanted to put some things on the bottom to show you that you have all of this space to use. And now it does not come with peg hooks. I had some peg hooks already, and then I hijacked some peg hooks from Mike's tool cabinet in the garage, but you can find peg hooks in a variety of sizes, and these take standard peg hooks. So it's nothing special. If you buy a peg board and you didn't buy the peg board at IKEA, the peg configurations here are typically the same as what you would find in your big box home improvement stores. So I'm going to zoom back out. Absolutely loving this. I'm absolutely loving getting my studio organized. Everything having a home and everything being neat. But you can see that I have so many ways that I can use this. You don't have to have it out in the floor. You can have it against the wall. It's completely up to you, but I definitely wanted you guys to see the best $100 I have ever spent on Amazon. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed that look at the best $100 I have ever spent on Amazon, as well as the quick overview of that portion of my studio. Y'all, when I say that I'm putting that pegboard room divider to good use, I most certainly am. So I'm going to have a few links in the description box of comparable items that I've found. But there are other sellers out there selling what looks to be exactly what I have because the pictures are the same. But when I checked, I didn't see the 6-panel whites in stock, but they might be in stock by the time that you look. So I'll give you the 4-panel link. You might want to get 2 4-panel links, or you might only want to get 1 4-panel link. And y'all, please keep in mind, I paid $100 for mine in 2023. Like everything, the prices have gone up. So when you find one, yours might be slightly higher than $100. But for me, mine was truly $100. As a matter of fact, I think it was more like $89 because it had a $10 off coupon attached to it. So I think it was $99 on the site, and I got it for $89. But if this is something that you think will help you, I would encourage you to give it a try, and don't leave yours in the box as long as I left mine in the box. So I hope that you have enjoyed this look at the best $100 I have ever spent on Amazon. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.